Let's celebrate the Lunar New Year together. To mark this special occasion, I'm giving away exclusive access to my ebook. Yes, you heard that right. It's completely free. Stay tuned until the end, and I'll reveal how long you have to grab your free download. Here's how to claim your free ebook. 1. Grab the Amazon link from the description. 2. Check that the price shows minus 100% free and 0 value. 3. Click Buy Now with one click to download instantly. If you're a Kindle Unlimited member, great news. You already have access. Don't miss this chance to enjoy the book for free. Once you hit Buy Now with one click, you'll be instantly redirected to a confirmation page. Boom! It's that easy. Enjoy your free ebook and start celebrating the Lunar New Year in style. You're all set. Now, just click the Read Now in Kindle for Web button and start enjoying your free ebook instantly. No worries, it's completely free and you don't even need to sign in, at least I didn't. Happy reading! You'll have full access to all the ebook pages, just like Kindle Unlimited members. When you open your Kindle library, you'll see all the books you've downloaded so far. Loved this cultural celebration ebook? Great news! I have more coloring books, notebooks, and planners featuring diverse festive traditions, available in English, Portuguese, and Spanish. Just scroll down to explore or visit my author page for the full collection. Keep scrolling, and you'll get an exciting sneak peek inside the pages of the books. Your feedback means the world. As you continue to explore, don't forget to leave a review. Your thoughts and suggestions are invaluable in helping me refine this book and create even better content for you. A review on the Amazon page would be greatly appreciated and will help me grow and improve. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you'll be the first to know when future ebooks are available for free. Speaking of which, this book will be available for free until January 29th. 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So don't wait. Your comments and suggestions are incredibly important to me. I truly appreciate all the feedback you've shared, and I'd love to hear more about which cultural topics you'd like to see explored in future books. Your input helps me create even more exciting, diverse, and educational content just for you.